Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing is to check the system requirements of the game. Don't miss it out. Just search for the game and you have to go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game hassle-free. Make sure your PC have all the required spec that is mentioned over here, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power, and then click on restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game or allow the game through Firewall. So for that, you have to go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on Firewall and network protection, allow an app through Firewall. Click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click under general. Here you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3 d11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to increase virtual memory. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Here you have to click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the driver your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, so you have to come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, you have to, for that I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes and wait for some time, and once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam, confirm it. After that, log into Steam and again try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once your game files are verified, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list over here. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So launch Steam, and under library section select your game. Here you can see an update option available. If there is any update option, click on it, wait for some time unless the game is completely updated, and after that try to launch the game, click on the play button to check if it's working. If not, next is to close background apps. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for task manager, and under background process tab you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, and after selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. But if you still face the same issue after following all the methods, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall option. This will completely delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.